Hello everyone, and welcome. Today we're diving into a memory upgrade that could breathe new life into your Dell Vostro 3681. We're looking at the CMS 32GB DDR4 2666MHz non-ECC DMM kit, specifically designed as a replacement for the Vostro 3681. Now, if you're like many Vostro 3681 owners, you might be finding that your system is starting to feel a little sluggish, especially when multitasking or running more demanding applications. One of the most cost-effective ways to improve performance is by upgrading your RAM, and that's where this CMS kit comes in. This kit includes two 16GB DIMMs for a total of 32GB. The memory is DDR4, running at a speed of 2666 MHz. It's important to note that this is non-ECC memory, which is perfectly fine for most home and office use cases. The 288-pin configuration is standard for desktop DDR4 memory, ensuring a proper fit in your Vostro 3681. Computer Memory Solutions guarantees compatibility, which is a huge plus. There's nothing worse than buying RAM and finding out it doesn't work with your system. They've taken the guesswork out of the equation. While the product appearance may vary from the picture, the important thing is the specifications. You're getting 32GB of DDR4 2666 MHz memory that's designed to work with your Dell Vostro 3681. Installation is generally straightforward. Make sure your computer is turned off and unplugged. Open up your Vostro 3681, locate the RAM slots, and carefully install the new DIMMs. Ensure they click securely into place. Consult your Vostro 3681 manual if you're unsure about the installation process. After installation, boot up your system and check that the full 32GB of RAM is recognized. You can do this through your system settings or BIOS. Once confirmed, you should immediately notice an improvement in performance. Applications will load faster, multitasking will be smoother, and your overall computing experience should be more responsive. CMS offers a limited lifetime warranty against manufacturing defects when purchased directly from them, which provides peace of mind. It's always good to know that your investment is protected. In conclusion, if you're looking for a reliable and compatible RAM upgrade for your Dell Vostro 3681, the CMS 32GB DDR4 2666 MHz kit is definitely worth considering. It's a simple and effective way to boost performance and extend the life of your system.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.